Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add your description or add your description on your Reddit app on your profile. We will go to know how we can do that on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you just go up here in this picture, you will click, then it's going to show for you like this window, and you just click here on my profile or your profile, then it's going to take you to this window here and you just click here on edit, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say, and all you have to do, you just came here to about you will saw and you add your description of yourself here. That's all you have to do here, and when you're done you click here on save and it's going to save with you. So that's all. Now I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.